Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud isn't working on your headphones, nothing ears. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, close the case and open it again. Right now we have not connected, so it reconnecting. And it should help you. But if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press and hold connectional button until you can see that this LED light it start flashing red 3 times. Here we go. 3 times. Now, close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Now click on it, add the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!